today I'll just do a quickie. I always fancied some hot pickles. So today I'll be doing the lazy way of making hot pickles. Just a jar of your favorite pickles and a habanero. That's all. And a few days in the fridge. So let's see. Right, got my favorite jar of store-bought pickles. Taking this habanero, I just took the liberty of taking the stems and seeds out. Add this down to the get down, push down. Alright, get it under. Yeah, like that. Put the lid back on. Let it set in the fridge for a couple of days to develop some flavors. I just love those easy twist caps. Okay, first gonna do a smell test. Smells like pickles, but is it hot? Let's taste. All right, here it is. Solid piece of cucumber. Oh yeah, definitely picked up some heat from that habanero. Not overwhelming, but yeah, very good. This would be great on my burgers, I guess, or on a nice hot dog. Okay, try this. Looks is easy to make, just using a store-bought jar of pickles. Added a habanero, a few days in the fridge, and it's mint. All right, cheers. Okay, oops.